Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a Wi-Fi dongle in a desktop PC. First, find an open USB port on your computer, preferably a USB 3.0 port for faster speeds. Unpack your new Wi-Fi dongle and check for any installation CDs or instruction manuals. Make sure your desktop is powered on and ready to go. This initial setup is quick and ensures a smooth installation process for your new wireless adapter. Now, carefully insert the Wi-Fi dongle into the USB port you selected. Your computer should typically detect the new hardware automatically within a few seconds. If it doesn't, or if you encounter issues, you might need to install drivers. Look for an installation disk that came with the dongle, or visit the manufacturer's official website to download the correct drivers for your operating system. This step is crucial for proper functionality. With the drivers installed, it's time to connect to your Wi-Fi network. Click on the network icon in your system tray, usually located in the bottom right corner of your screen. A list of available wireless networks will appear. Select your home network, then enter your Wi-Fi password accurately. Once connected, you should see an Internet access icon indicating you are ready to browse. If you encounter any connection problems, try restarting both your computer and your Wi-Fi router. Regularly updating your dongle's drivers can also significantly improve performance and stability. For better signal strength, especially if your desktop is tucked away, consider using a USB extension cable to position the dongle more openly. These simple steps can resolve most common issues and enhance your wireless experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.